myself. You can see another reel how to make a colored foam. Then I rub the lashes with the regular glue on new perfect line shields. And then step number 1, it's 1.5 ml the sachet, and it's glycolic acid based, so this product is quite strong. You would need to leave it for 4 to 9 minutes, so I wouldn't recommend to use it on the very thin lashes, but for stubborn thick lashes, perfect. So the color, also the solution has the sparkles in it, so it's perfect for Instagram content. Then we're applying step number 2. Step 2, it's a hydrogen peroxide based, and you need to leave it for on 8 minutes. It also has sparkles, and yum. And here I'm using compensators to make sure that the lash is staying on the shields. Then it's a tinting. You can use any brand, and after the tint we're using Gosha. This is the limited edition blue diamond. Look at this color. It's sort of a lash botox, gives additional nourishment to lashes. You need to leave it for 5 to 10 minutes to let the lashes soak up this goodiness. And after this we're cleansing the lashes, and you're applying step 3, hydration and keratin booster. Great ingredients also in the sachets. You would be able to use it for 5 clients, at least 1 sachet, and then you can apply it on a shield, or you can simply brush the lashes through with this product. Then we're drying the lashes, and here are the result. Love the brand.